Hi guys, welcome to Automobilico. Here with me is the
Yes, and we are from My Ride Expo Manila 2020. Thank you so much, Bernie, for inviting us to Automobilico. This is an amazing place, and we are so grateful that you're part of us.
wow, yeah, can't wait. We'll be part of the event, prestigious event, of course, with lots of beautiful cars and bikes and modified.
Yeah, modified cars and bikes, and we have lots of prizes also. So this is happening February 19th to 21st, 2020 at the SMX MOA. Where is it?
19, 20, and 21. Don't forget.
All right. So most important is we are having an offer now, right?
Yes, buy one, take one promo.
Yeah.
So it's only 250 pesos. If you buy one, you get to bring a friend for free and maybe the whole family as well.
Right? Or you can double your chances of winning. Tickets are available at Automobilico, and most importantly, Automobilico will also be present at
Yeah, we'll be there.
yes,
We'll see you.
the big booth there, right there. See you. Bye.